Vivid description is a style used in Act 1, Scene 1, and our focus is going to be Teacher Nicole. She is described as a young, tall, light-skinned lady of medium build, a renowned beauty. Now, the question is, why does the author use vivid description in their work of art? Vivid description is used in order to make us readers have a mental picture of who the characters are. Another style used in Act 1, Scene 1 is personification. Personification is whereby the writer gives human qualities to things or ideas. When Montano says your nose was running, that is personification because we know that the nose does not have the ability to run. This makes the story more lively. Hyperbole is a style used in Act 1, Scene 1. Montano tells Alvita, the way your nose was running as though you had a drum of fluids in the middle of your head. Montano has excessively exaggerated the situation in order to show us the readers how bad the situation was in the future that he was in. Biblical allusion is another style in Act 1, Scene 1, whereby on page 13, we are told that the Samaritan app is named after the Good Samaritan. This reminds us of the story of the Good Samaritan from the Bible. It tells us that the app is meant to help people and do good. On page 18, there is the use of ellipses, whereby Piro is interrupted by Meamosi when he is speaking. This brings out the character trait of Meamosi being impatient and arrogant. Irony is another style in Act 1, Scene 1, whereby Meamosi claims to protect the citizen but blocks the Samaritan app. Here, irony has been used to show or point out the hypocrisy. We also realize that the leader is selfish even though he pretends to care. Simile is another style used in Act 1, Scene 1, and I quote on page 16, he just sent a text message on some social media and it spread like a wild bush fire. Now, it is very important for us to know what a simile is, and remember, for the similes, here we are comparing one thing to another using the words like and as. It shows, in this scenario, this shows how fast the message spread, and it also helps us understand the intensity of the action. Finally, in Act 1, Scene 1, we have a play within a play, whereby we have two students, Montano and Alvita, acting out two futures. We have Montano acting the future of despair and Alvita acting the future of hope. This shows two possible futures, one good and another one bad. It helps us to understand what could happen if people make wrong or right decisions. It makes the message of the play clear. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Next, we are going to look at the themes in Act 1, Scene 1.